Hello friends, welcome back to another session. I am Sushma Roy, and in the last video we had spoken about the precautions to be taken by the hotels in the current COVID-19 situation, and we had specifically spoken about in front office and the food and beverage, the restaurants. In this video, I will be talking completely about housekeeping, the new normal. In the current situation, housekeeping has gained one of the most important role because the focus of the entire world has shifted to hygiene and sanitation. What all precautions need to be taken? What are the processes which needs to be modified? And what are the new processes which needs to be implemented has to be planned. We will not focus in this video on the regular cleaning tasks because most of us already know about it. What we will be talking is completely only about the changes which needs to be implemented. One of the biggest buzzword in the current times which we all keep listening is key touch points. Now there are various surfaces which in a hotel the guest as well as the staff come in contact with. Examples like elevator buttons, door handles, remotes, AC thermostat, the chair handles, the furnitures, and many more. So let's discuss the room cleaning part now, and then we will talk about public area cleaning, laundry, linen handling, and uniform room in the further videos. Guest rooms should only be accessed by the housekeeping person only and should be restricted by the others apart from conditions like if there is any major breakdown or engineering defects which needs to be rectified. Housekeeping associates, when they are entering a guest room, should wear PPE, personal protective equipment. Now this becomes mandatory in the current situation. Room cleaning time of a guest room should be pre-decided by the guest so that the front office team can ask the guest and take a favorable time from the guest to clean the guest rooms. And the guest room preferably should be cleaned in the absence of the guest. Now this is a very important thing so that we can avoid cross-contamination between the guest and the staff as well. Preferably, 2 associates should enter a guest room to clean the room. One person can clean the washroom and the other person can clean the guest room. Now this is an important step to avoid cross-contamination between wet and dry areas as well. In a departure room, in a checkout room, all the key touch points needs to be disinfected. So it becomes important that the associate who is entering the guest room should carry a disinfectant with them. Now this disinfectant can be Virex 256 or Oxivir, which is provided by Diversey, or we can go for any other disinfectant from a reputed brand. Now the associate should enter the guest room. The first thing what they should do is empty the garbage from the room. And after doing this, the second thing what they will do is remove the soiled linen from the guest room. While removing the linen, the associate should check for any lost and found which has been left behind by the guest. And in case if there is anything which is left behind in the guest room, the same has to be packed in a plastic cover and it can be sent across to the housekeeping department. After the garbage disposal and the linen is cleared from the room, the next step which becomes important is misting. The misting is basically you are misting the room with a disinfectant solution. And the associate can do this. They can spray the disinfectant on the mattresses, the headboards, furniture, curtains, washrooms, and each and every area of the room. After this misting process, the room needs to be closed for at least 3 to 5 hours so that the disinfectant can neutralize the bacteria or the viruses which are there in the guest rooms. After the stipulated time is over, the associate should re-enter the room with a steaming machine. He should enter the room and steam all the surfaces including the furniture, curtains and mattresses, but with a dry steam. Care should be taken that we should not put wet steam onto the surfaces. Steaming of the surfaces can be done for the washrooms as well. Post-steaming, associates should enter the room with disinfectant spray can as well as the other regular cleaning agents. All the surfaces, including the key touch points, should be first cleaned by the regular cleaning agents, and once the surfaces are clean, they should be again cleaned by the disinfectant so that there is no chance of any microbial or viruses to be present in the room. We should take extra care that none of the key touch points are overlooked. The key touch points, I'll repeat, they can be like the AC thermostat, the telephone, you can have the TV remote and many other touch points which are the common points which we miss out in a room. Post this manual disinfection, the bed can be made and the linen can be placed in the room. Care to be taken that we do not place any extra linen or unused, because the unused linen items in the guest rooms need to be completely sent to the laundry after the guest checks out to avoid any kind of cross contamination. So it is better that the hotels place only those linen items which are required by the guest, and any extra items like bathrobes and other linen things can be given to the guest only on guest request. At the time of the check-in, the front office team can ask the guest as to what are the various items which they will be required in the room. The same goes with the amenities as well. As per me, the hotels should place only the bare minimum amenities in the guest room to avoid any wastage, because after the departure of the guest in the room, all the unused amenities should be disposed of. Now, the option can be given to the guest, as I said, during the check-in time. We can provide them with the list of the items and ask them to tick the items which they need so that we can provide the same into the guest room. Please do not place any minibar or extra tea coffee amenities in the room. Tea coffee amenities should be reduced and given to the guest only on guest request. All the stationery items, it's a very important point, all the stationery items should be removed from the room, because stationery items, if left behind unused, also needs to be disposed of, and it is going to cost the company a huge amount. The in-room dining menus and all the service directories can be made available to the guest online through providing them with QR codes. This is not only going to save the touch points, but it is also going to save money to the company. Laundry bags which are placed in the room should be leak proof, and they should be made of such material which can withstand high washing temperatures. Now, post placing all the required amenities and linen in the guest room, the associate should be trained so that they can self-check the room and make sure that the room is in a perfect condition to be given to the guest, so that unnecessary staff entering the room further to inspect the room is avoided. Then finally, once the room is ready, an ozonizer can be placed in the room to sterilize the air for at least 5 to 10 minutes. The final mopping can be done and the associate can come out of the room. Here we need to understand that we can keep a framed message in a guest room or inform the guest that all the amenities which have not been placed in the room are for the safety of the guest, and we can definitely provide the same to the guest on request. And we should be thankful to the guest for understanding the hotel's initiatives. So friends, I hope through this video you have understood a little bit about what are the minute changes and the important changes which we should bring into our cleaning procedures now in the hotel rooms. The most important point over here is a disinfectant, a strong disinfectant which needs to be used, and the key touch points which I repeatedly mentioned in the video that should not be missed out. Thank you for watching this video. I'll come back with many more videos giving you loads of information about the changes which the hotels are going to implement in their systems. Thank you for watching this video.